A major drug smuggling attempt has been foiled in Bhadrak after police seized around 24 kilograms of ganja near the Charampa railway station. A special team of the Bhadrak town police intercepted 4 suspected smugglers outside the station while they were preparing to transport the contraband by train to Chennai. During the operation, police recovered 24 kilograms of ganja, 4 mobile phones and rupees 2,000 in cash. Officials say the estimated value of the seized narcotics runs into lakhs of rupees. Investigators revealed that the contraband was sourced from Pulbani and was being routed through Tihidi before being transported to another state. Among the 4 arrested are 3 women and a man. 2 of the women are residents of Cuttack district while another is from Tihidi locality in Bhadrak. Police officials say the accused were allegedly promised payment for carrying the consignment. Authorities have also detained a key individual linked to the illegal operation and are continuing their probe to trace others involved in the interstate smuggling network.
रेलवे स्टेशन बाहर 3 जन स्त्री लोक 3टी ट्रॉली बैग धरथिले एवं तांको संगे गोटे जेंट्स थिला से 4 जन को आम जो आप्रिहेंड कलु और अटक रखिलु तापर जानिया पाइलु जे तांको पाखरे विपुल परिमाणर गंजेई निषिद्ध गंजेई आमर तांको पाखरे अछि तांको पाखरु नियर अबाउट 24 किलो गंजेई आम जबत कलु तो से जिनस गुडी को चेन्नई ट्रेन रे चेन्नई जगह नहीं जाई थांते आ प्रति लेडीज ता बाबद रे से मैंने पाई था 5,000 टंका लेखा पाई था फुलवाणी एरिया जिनस मगेकी चोरा चालाण कर चेन्नई को चोरा चालाण कर ए राकेट आउ किए सामिल अच्छा से तदंत सापेक्ष अच्छी।